Have you ever seen a life hack online and wondered, does that really work? This is the life of a green onion leaf. First, make a cozy home by reusing egg carton box. Wrap your egg carton box with saran wrap. Then, place another egg carton box over it and wet it. Now, lay your onions that have sprouted on the slots and water them. This is day 1. Day 3, they are still alive and growing strong. Day 5. Day 11. It's time to replace the cartons. Corners of the egg carton box have started to mold, and more onions were added to the family. Day 13. They are growing beautifully. Green and healthy green onions. Day 22. It's almost time to harvest. Day 26. It's harvest day. Do not throw out the bulbs. The green onion leaves are now almost ready to be eaten. They are now ready to be deliciously garnished. Now replant the bulbs. Wasn't that so beautiful to watch? If you enjoyed watching the process, let me know in the comment section down below. Give this video a like and subscribe to my channel for more quick and easy DIYs. Thank you for your support.